C program, the break and continue statements are powerful tools for controlling the flow of executions within the loops. These statements provide mechanisms to alter the normal loop behavior, making programs perfect, more flexible, and efficient. Let us see how the break statements will work. A break statement is used to prematurely exit the loop without any loop conditions. Actually, if we give a break statement inside a loop, it exits like if a condition is met, then the break statement will make it exit the loop. This is the syntax for the break statement. Here, inside the loop only the break and continue statements are used. Here we use the for loop, and inside the of we give some conditions. If the condition is met, then the break statement will execute. That is, if the condition is met, then it exits the loop. This is how the break statements will work. Let us see how it works by a program. This is the example for a break statement. Here we include a header file, then we give a main functions. Here we initialize the number as integers. We give a value like 1 to 5. And what we are going to do in this program is we have to check the target value in a given number. So we have given here the target number as 3. For checking one by one, we are using for loop. Okay. By for loop, we initialize that I equal to 0, and we give a conditions, and then we use an updations. First, the compiler will check that I equal to 0, then it check with the number, like if 0 equal to the target. What is our target value? 3 is our target value. First is check. First, what is the first number? That is 1 is our first number. It's check if 1 equal to our target value 3. No, it is not. So it will again execute the loop because the condition is not satisfied. Then check, there is a I plus statements, right? So the I value will be updated. Now the I value is 2. Then it's check if 2 equal to our target value 3. Again our condition is false. Then again our loop will execute it. And check if 3 equal to our target value 3. Then the condition is true, and it executes the print statement. And if the condition is true, right, then the break statement will execute and it exits the loop. Let us see how this program runs. Here we see the target found at index 3. That is, we give I0, this is the index. The index of 1 is 0 and 2 is 1. This is how it's go for. So the target value 3 is found at the index 3. Okay, let's see the continue statement. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iterations and move to the next iterations. That is, if we give the continue keyword inside the loop, if the condition is met, it does not exit the loop. That means it continues the loop again and again. That's why we use a condition statement. Let us see how this works. See an example program. This is the code using the continue statement. Here the header file is included, and we give a main functions. Likewise the previous program. Here also we declare numbers, and we give a data type as integer. Here what we are going to do is we check if the condition is true, then it does not break the loop. That is, it does not exit the loop. It will continue the loop again. That's why the continue statement is useful. Let's check. Now the 1 is compared with the target value. If the condition is false, then it comes out and print the number 1. Then it's check with 2. Is 2 equal to the target value? No, it's not. Then it's also go to print the number, and then check it's 3 equal to the target number. Yes, the condition is satisfied, but it's going to continue, does not break the loop. Then it's going to continue. Again check with 4. 4 equal to the target number 3. again the condition is false, then the value 4 will be print. And again let's check with 5, and again the condition is false, and then the value of 5 is printed. Let us run this program. This is how the continuous statement is work. It's just print the value 1, 2. Here the condition is true, and here we give a keyword as continue, so it just continue, not printing the string. This is how the break and continuous sequences works. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you want to obtain a completion certificate, please click the link to our site. Sign up and choose the course level. It is mandatory to watch all the videos and finish the corresponding quiz within the time limit to unlock the final quiz. Get your course completion certificate after completing the final quiz of that level. Happy learning!